Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do another unboxing video. We are going to unbox my very own sewing machine. As you can see, it's so cute. Yes. Yes. Come here. Come here. I am unboxing my newest sewing machine. I've been saving this for a very long time. I've been really saving for this, and it is finally here. And it has a manual. Yes, a manual. I'll put it on the side. Now I have to remove this whole thing. Now that I don't have anybody who's holding the camera for me, I'll put it down, then take it out, then I'll show you afterwards. As you can see, it has different designs, as it has shown here. All of them are 12 in number, and I have taken it out of the box, and it's time to see the beauty of it all. The beauty of this thing. The beauty. Look at this thingy. Oh God, and it has a small thingy for testing it out. It has Uzi. It has already been put there for me. It has more things here. Oh God, this is so beautiful. There is a bobbin and some more Uzis here. And I don't know what this white thing is for, but I will know using the manual. Then this is the foot pedal, and this one is the one for power, and this is the machine. How to remove it from this protector of it. Beautiful. And here is the cute deal. Oh my goodness, it is super cute. It is super cute. As you can see, it has 12 different designs, and this one, this one is for the reverse. And here we put the power on the slow one, and I think it looks kind of different because I believe that I ordered a red one, and this one looks pink. But I love it. I love every bit of it. And here, I believe this is where I put my things, because it's just like a place to put my few cute ones, the things that can get lost. Oh God, this thing is beautiful. And this is the bobbin case. Yes, it is the bobbin case. Oh God, this thing is beautiful. Yeah, so beautiful. As you can see here, there is somewhere I can put the foot pedal, and this is where I put the power cable. I have to test this one and see how it works. been given here a cloth. I want to try and see if it works. Yes, so I'm supposed to put it on here, and the light is on. It's kind of automatic. Oh, it doesn't make any noise. I have to try and see if it will work. So smooth. What if we change the way of a different style? You see the other one. Jesus Christ. I have to test all of them. So nice. Awesome. It's not noisy. It does it work well. I folded this one so it's like 4 pieces, and it doesn't make any noise, and it adjusts so very nicely. I really love this. I love everything about it except that I ordered a red one and I was given a pink one. But this sewing machine is it is so awesome. Yay! Now that I'm done with the testing of this awesome thing, the awesomest sewing machine, it's not very heavy. It's heavy, yes, but you can carry it around. I have come here to the awesome thing. I was given a gift by the people who sold this one for me. Oh, to me. Oh, not people, it's a stock in Kilimall. So what it is. Yes, so this is my gift from Kilimall. It's called a kitchen bathroom shelf rack. Yes. So this is the one. It's cute. I can use it to put in my sewing items. It is seriously sealed. So I have to open it by cutting the paper. Yay! So, has some things that I believe can use to. Oh, this has stickers for the wall. So there is a paper here that you can peel off, then stick it to the wall. Then this one is supposed to enter inside here for both sides. There is like a pocket here for this part. Yes, so if it is on a corner, in a corner, you put it this way. So this one will be on the wall, then it holds your things. Yay! Thank you, Kilimall. Oh, thank you, King's Store, for this one. I'm so very grateful. Thank you.